Alright, we're here at some extended stay hotel. Used to be called the Baymont here in Kissimmee. Well, on YouTube, I'm doing a video of the elevator. I usually get people out of the video unless you really want to be in it.
What's up, man?
This guy wants to be on YouTube. Have a good one, man. Alright, we're here at some extended stay hotel here in Kissimmee, Florida. Used to be called a Baymont, now it's called, I believe, the Home One Suites. Anyways, here's the elevator, and guess what? It's a Dover. Dover with impulse. That's burned out. Here for 3. Turbo 3, it's a little slow, but runs like any other Dover. Take her back down to 1. It's faster going down. These are your impulse fixtures, phone, certificate, and your floor indicator. Capacity is 20 to 100. You know what, let's get her one more ride to 3. Door close button works. Very smooth startup. We're back at 3. Take back down to 1. As you see, it's got a bumper.